Imagine, for a moment, that one day, the sky above us fills with shapes we've never seen before. Ships that defy our understanding of physics, beings whose technology is centuries, perhaps millennia ahead of ours. The news spreads instantly: aliens have arrived, and they're here for Earth. The question is simple, yet terrifying. Who would win? Humanity, or an alien civilization? Today, we'll explore this scenario. We'll examine the strengths, weaknesses, and possibilities of both sides, and ask, could we survive? Who are the aliens? First, let's consider the aliens themselves. The truth is, we have no idea what they would be like. They could be highly advanced, far beyond our technology, harnessing energy from entire stars. Perhaps they are mechanical beings, artificial intelligences created by a civilization that no longer uses biology. Or maybe they are organic, fragile in ways we can exploit, but incredibly intelligent and adaptive. Their motivations matter too. Are they explorers, scientists curious about other life forms? Are they conquerors, seeking resources or territory? Or are they simply trying to survive in a universe that is far harsher than our own? Understanding them is the first step in imagining how such a conflict could unfold. Now, let's look at humanity. Earth is not defenseless. Across the globe, nations possess sophisticated military forces, advanced fighter jets, drones, cyber warfare capabilities, and nuclear arsenals. Our satellites can track movements in orbit, and our technology allows rapid communication across continents. But our greatest advantage might not be weapons. It's adaptation. Humans are resourceful, creative, and resilient. We know our planet intimately. We can hide in forests, underground, or in the oceans. We can work together in ways no alien could predict, forming strategies that are chaotic, unpredictable, and uniquely human. Still, technology is not everything. If an alien civilization is millions of years ahead, our conventional weapons may barely leave a scratch. Science also shapes this battle. Physics puts limits on what aliens can do. Traveling across galaxies is unimaginably difficult. Energy requirements are astronomical, and faster-than-light travel remains speculative. If they arrive here, their systems must withstand Earth's atmosphere, gravity, and microbial life. What if they are vulnerable to our bacteria, to the tiniest organisms we often ignore? Science gives us hope, even against seemingly unbeatable foes. Yet, we must remember, if they have overcome these obstacles, they are likely smarter, faster, and stronger than anything we've faced before. The aliens, however, would possess advantages that are hard to imagine. Weapons powered by energy beyond our comprehension. Shields and armor that make conventional attacks useless. Communication networks that operate faster than thought, coordinating attacks with terrifying efficiency. Biology could favor them as well. Perhaps they can survive without air, endure extreme temperatures, or heal rapidly. Their intellect and strategy might surpass ours, and the psychological impact of seeing beings we cannot fight, shapes, sounds, and technologies beyond our understanding, could break morale even before the first battle begins. Let's consider how a battle might unfold. Scenario 1: a swift, total invasion. Aliens arrive in force, striking major cities simultaneously. Humanity's armies attempt to retaliate, but our weapons are insufficient. In days, if not hours, their superiority dominates. This is the worst-case scenario. Scenario 2: prolonged resistance. Humans retreat to forests, mountains, and underground bunkers. We use guerrilla tactics, sabotage, and unpredictability. Even if the aliens control the skies and cities, Earth becomes a complex battlefield. Here, patience, adaptation, and creativity become our greatest weapons. Scenario 3: exploiting weaknesses. Perhaps Earth harbors something they cannot tolerate: microbes, environmental factors, or even a flaw in their technology. Humanity has often survived by turning enemies' strengths against them. In this scenario, the underdog may triumph through cleverness, innovation, and sheer unpredictability. Human innovation could be decisive. We might develop AI-driven countermeasures, hacking alien systems, or designing weapons tailored to their physiology. Creativity, empathy, and moral choice, these are uniquely human traits that no alien, no matter how advanced, could fully predict. In desperate moments, humans have historically done the impossible, surviving situations that seemed hopeless. Perhaps the same would hold true against an extraterrestrial threat. So, who would win? The truth is, we cannot know. If the aliens are vastly superior, humanity may fall. Yet, if even a small weakness exists, if we unite, innovate, and fight with cunning, survival is possible. In the end, it is not only technology or strength that determines the outcome of such a conflict. It is resilience, adaptability, and the unpredictable nature of human spirit that could make all the difference. An alien invasion remains hypothetical, for now. But imagining it reminds us of our own strengths and vulnerabilities, and how, even in the face of overwhelming odds, humanity might endure. What do you think? Could we survive an alien invasion, or would Earth fall? The answer may lie not in science fiction, but in our own ability to adapt. Thank you for watching, and keep looking at the stars, you never know what's out there.